The farmer wakes up early. The farmer wakes up early. He goes to the fields. He goes to the fields. He works in the farm. He works in the farm. He feeds the animals. He feeds the animals. He milks the cow daily. He milks the cow daily. He waters the green plants. He waters the green plants. He plows the dry land. He plows the dry land. He sows seeds carefully. He sows seeds carefully. He grows wheat crops. He grows wheat crops. He harvests ripe crops. He harvests ripe crops. He drives his tractor. He drives his tractor. He carries fresh vegetables. He carries fresh vegetables. He sells crops in market. He sells crops in market. He cleans the cattle shed. He cleans the cattle shed. He repairs the farm tools. He repairs the farm tools. He checks the weather. He checks the weather. He works under the sun. He works under the sun. He rests under a tree. He rests under a tree. He drinks cool water. He drinks cool water. He eats simple food. He loads the tractor trolley. He loads the tractor trolley. He buys seeds from shop. He buys seeds from shop. He sprays medicine on plants. He sprays medicine on plants. He protects crops from pests. He protects crops from pests. He ties the oxen. He ties the oxen. He cuts fresh grass. He cuts fresh grass. He takes crops to town. He takes crops to town. He meets other farmers. He meets other farmers. He plans next season. He plans next season. He stores grains safely. He stores grains safely. He sharpens his tools. He sharpens his tools. He fixes the water pump. He fixes the water pump.